Action.
Action. Here we go, another buzz cut, number 4 on top, 0 mid or lower. Do you want me to start lower? Try it. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so we start lower, like low to mid.
Right.
0 fade, and top number 4. I will keep some thickness here to show the some bulky styles, you know, some
Yeah.
darkness here.
All right.
Anyway, you want to do box at the front?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
too easy.
All right.
Yeah,
Let's do it.
here we go. Let's do it. So by the way, he's my customer for a while now,
Yeah.
and I always do buzz cut for him, and he will come back.
Exactly. Always.
To set the guideline first. Now we shave everything off below the guideline. Because my friend here he asked for number 4 on top, so what I'm gonna do, I will put number 4 on the clipper and I will shave everything off. So number 4, you sure about it? Good, let's do it. Oh, I want to have my hair back.
It's the glue.
Now you open the clipper, like to the end, and you cut 1 inch. Next step, there's a guideline between the 0 and the half. So we open the clipper halfway and we try to remove this guideline. Don't go to the end to the half, just on the middle. Next step, number 1.5, level open, and you flick the clipper out. Next one, number 1, level open, and also you flick the clipper out, but don't get the end of the number 2. If you can see like the end of the number 2 here, don't get to the end. So flick it out before the end of the number 2. Last step of the fade, we do number half, level open, and I will try to remove this guideline between the 0 and the number 1.5. Sorry, between the half and 1.5. So this one on the middle, we get like number half. We open the clipper to the end and we hit only on it, just on this line. Now the end, I finished the fade and I finished the top. What I'm gonna do, I will match between my fade and the top using number 2, level open, and I will hit only on this area and I flick the clipper out just to match between my fade and the top.
Show this to Zach. This is what you're gonna do next time.
No way. No, this is my way, mate. I don't get much.
Oh yeah. Wow. That was nice, very nice. Thank you. Oh, I love it. I love it. Very happy, brother. Yeah, very happy. Thanks, Bob. Thank you, Bob. Thanks,
So,
brother.
the final of the haircuts. This is the final of the haircuts. So, nice fade. All good. No issues. I add some enhancement here, if you can't say, because his beard is like not that thick enough. So I add some color on it. So same thing, you know, like with the box, because the box at the front is not in the thickness is not much enough. So I add some color on it. If you can see the shade of the color, this enhancement. So when I said, you know, like the haircut is natural haircut, no colors, nothing to add. Yes, we add some colors sometimes. This colors like last for 2 days or 3 days. But when I show my videos, most of the time I show it without colors. I try to do that. See, like if you can tell, there's some shade here. See, that's my enhancement. Only also on the beard. If you can see, like it's a perfect, because I did it good, I did it well, but I add another color spray on it, like some enhancement on it. So this haircut for social media. Also still no filters, no photoshops, nothing, but only enhancement add. Thanks so much guys, see you next time.
First choice barber.